Do-It-Yourself Gourmet presents How to Cut Chicken Breast. In today's video, we're going to be displaying how to cut a chicken breast in order to stuff it. This cut is going to be from the top, so you're going to want to make sure and slice the connective tissue, the tendon that is at that top part of the breast, before you start to slice inside of the breast. Once you do, lay it on the smooth side so that you can follow the knife easily as it goes through. Enter the knife into the breast from the top side down. Use the length of the blade to push it through easily. Watch your hands, but make sure that it goes through on a level, even slice. You don't want it coming out of the top or the bottom. Once you've got that slice, go ahead and open it up and make sure that you've got enough room there, because a narrow slice will give the breast a lot of room to flex and squeeze the ingredients back out. So if you've got a lot of toppings to stuff in there, make sure you take the next step and take the blade along the large edge and round it out. That way you've got plenty of room to stuff it all in there. After that, stick a finger in and make sure the slice has been smooth throughout, and repeat as necessary. That way, when you go to stuff everything inside, the breast is ready to take it all in. You can sew it all up with a little culinary twine if you like, but at this point it shouldn't leak out too bad from the top. Make sure and stuff it with something nice and tasty, everyone. This has been the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. I thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next time.